Before you operate, you need to perform loader inspection. You must wear proper PPE before operating the loader. You need to check the condition of treads. You need to inspect if lights are working properly. Make sure to check mirrors are clean and adjusted properly. You also need to perform the maintenance check before operating. Pressing both the pedals forward at same time make loader to go front. Similarly, pressing both the pedals backward at same time make loader to go reverse. However, you can also move the loader using the handles instead of the pedals. Push the handles forward to move in front direction. Pull the handles backward to move in reverse direction. You can control the movement of excavator by moving the joystick in different directions. The OB dump material is loaded into the truck during OB loading process.